Welcome to Mallika Badinath's kitchen. Now I am going to share a recipe which is called as butter thattai, a traditional snack of South India which is very easy to prepare. Ingredients I have kept it ready. Butter thattai. For this I have taken 1 cup of idli rice, that is parboiled rice. Along with that I have soaked few red chilies for 2 hours and then strained the water just now. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup of Bengal gram flour, that is roasted Bengal gram flour. This is 1 tablespoon of dry roasted urad dal powder which is sifted. Little Bengal gram dal soaked for half an hour and then strain the water. Finely cut cashew nuts, salt, asafoetida powder, oil for deep frying. After soaking for 2 hours, strain the water completely and then add it in the mixie jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Try to grind this to a smooth paste. If necessary, sprinkle very little water and grind it to a thick paste. Use a spatula. You have to grind like this to a thick paste. Add enough salt to this. Measure the butter and then add it to the batter and then grind again smoothly. Close the lid and grind again once for that to get mixed properly. See, now I have ground it to a thick paste. Transfer this to a broad vessel like this. Now I am going to add all these things in this. This is roasted gram, what we call it as chutney dal powder, which is sifted, and roasted urad dal powder, again it is sifted, soaked Bengal gram dal and cashew nuts. This is roasted urad dal flour. I am going to add this. This is soaked Bengal gram dal. This is finely cut cashew nuts. This is asafoetida. I am going to add little asafoetida. Have to mix all these things together properly. If this is very thick, you can sprinkle very little water at this stage. If the ground batter is very thin, you can add little more flour. We have to knead this properly like this. You should form a dough, thick dough like this, like chapati dough consistency. From this we have to prepare even sized balls. Prepare balls and then flatten it. I have preheated the oil here. Oil should be of the correct consistency. To check that, what we have to do is, we have to put a small piece of this prepared dough in this. It should come up immediately. See, it has come up immediately. This is the correct temperature, and then reduce the flame. Prepare balls and then flatten it. Yeah. Here I have spread a thin muslin cloth, which is a wet cloth. You can use this, or you can use a polythene sheet or a silica sheet. We have to use our finger, wet the fingers and then pat it to form a thin disc. You can wet the fingers and then pat it to form a thin disc. If it is very thick, it will puff up like a puri, but only if it is thin, it will be nice. If you want to prevent this from puffing up, what we have to do is use a fork like this. Just pierce lightly here and there. Otherwise it will fluff up like a puri. If we prepare it like this, it will not become like a puffy puri. Transferring this to oil is a art. You have to be very careful if you are a beginner. First we have to use a hands. It should be wet, but at the same time too much water shouldn't be there. Then oil will splatter if it falls. Now we have to take this carefully like this and then slip it in the oil one side from one corner. We have to turn this over when this comes on top. We have to see the color and then gently turn it up. Turn this back side. First batch of butter kattai is ready. For this Diwali, try all the recipes which I am posting, sweets and savories with all the beginners tips. Wish you all a very happy Diwali.